Hey, welcome back to another episode of Just Call Me Josie. In today's video, I will be reviewing the new Pixi Glitter-y eye quad, and as you can tell, they look absolutely stunning in the pan. They're sort of a pressed glitter formula, but we will of course figure out in today's video whether or not these are less messy than your typical loose glitter, and we're also going to figure out if there is a lot of fallout and overall if this product is worth your money. So first up, I will show you some swatches compared to some other glitter products. So this is the gold in the Pixi Glitter-y eye quad. Next up, I'm swatching the Stila Glitter and Glow in the shade Kitten Karma, and this obviously has a liquid base to it, but just for reference. So here is an Hourglass scattered light shadow in the shade Blaze. And then lastly, here we have a Colourpop Super Shock shadow in an ultra glitter finish, and this is Lightning Bug. The Pixi Glitter-y eye quad definitely has the largest chunks when it comes to the glitter size, I would say, but this product definitely has some pros and some cons, which I will get into straight away. So one of the first pros with this product is, of course, you do not need to have a steady hand whatsoever whilst dealing with these. You can shake this up as much as you want and nothing will fall out. That is the biggest issue that I had personally with my loose glitters. Even though I consider myself to have quite a steady hand, I still managed to do a little shake when I was opening the container, and I always ended up having glitter all over my vanity, and that was not fun because glitter is the hardest thing to clean up and get rid of. You will find glitter everywhere for a long time. But these have some sort of a binding agent to them that makes them stick down to the eyelids really well, and also into the pan, of course. You can just go directly in with your finger and pat these onto your eyelids once you've primed them. So these are definitely less messy than your typical loose glitter. However, these have a huge con that I will get to in just a little bit. So in these two shades right here, the glitter is really densely packed, so these two work amazing on their own, whereas these two I feel like work a little bit better as a topper shade. In this container you get 4 different shades, and it's still cheaper than just one glitter and glow from Stila, so that is quite amazing. I feel like this glitter product works so well if you were to do a cut crease or a halo eye look where you want that sharper edge, which will lead me into the cons with this product. With the Stila product, since it is in a liquid, you can go in before it has dried down and blend this one out, and not so much with this product, unfortunately. If you do go in once you have placed it down to touch up your mask, you will get a little bit of glitter fallout. So my suggestion would definitely be to put down all of your matte shades first and sort of complete the entire blending process, and then go in to finish the look off with one of the glitters, and then just call it a day after that. The unfortunate thing is that the fallout that you do get is so hard to get off your face. Like right now I can see some glitter specks here and there, and I even have one annoying little speck up on my forehead, and I promise you I did not put it there myself. You can definitely end up with some glitter specks in your eyes, at least that happened to me, and it's not super pleasant. It doesn't hurt at all, or I don't think it damaged my eyes either, but just the feeling or like seeing actual glitter specks in your eyes is not that pleasant, to be honest. That is definitely the biggest con for me. I don't want my product to end up in my actual eyeballs. If you're someone that is used to using even loose glitter and you know all about these sort of larger particles and it doesn't bother your eyes at all, then this might very well be a super great option for you, because the end result and the eye looks that I have created with this product are super just impactful and glittery and shiny and stunning on the eyes. So I have to say it's a little bit hard for me to give you guys a straight answer whether or not I would recommend this product, because I feel like it is not a straight shooter by any means. It is definitely down to your personal preference with this product, I would say. Definitely let me know your thoughts down in the comment. Is this a product that would be up your alley, or is this just not your thing at all? Hopefully you found this video somewhat helpful. If you did, definitely don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and also do feel free to subscribe. I make a lot of reviews but also a lot of other makeup content here on my channel, so hopefully I will see you guys in my next video. Take care until then, bye!